Namaste friends. You know where am I now? Now I am in Warangal. It's a 1,000 pillar Shiva temple. Okay? If you want to experience that positive energy, you have to visit such ancient temples which is 1,000 years old. Okay. Now I have one piece of advice, one piece of suggestion I would say. Don't trust any human being that this person X, Y, Z will definitely able to share my my burden, my grief, my sorrow. No, nobody will able to share your own karma. If at all you want somebody's help, take divine's help. Take Lord Shiva's help. Definitely he will help you. Definitely he will help you cross this problem, cross this issue, whatever comes across. Hope I thought I'll share this message to you.